My name is Kristofer. I am a professor in statistics at Jönköping International Business School in Jönköping University. I will have my inauguration lecture in October, and it will be about improved estimators for regression models. Often one wants to estimate the relationship between different economic variables, and it is somewhat complicated to do so when many economic variables are highly intercorrelated. And then I have developed new method to estimate this type of regression models and this type of relationships using what is usually called shrinkage estimators or improved estimators. And this enables the applied researchers to estimate this type of regression models and separate the effect from highly correlated economic variables. So my lecture will be about how to estimate this type of regression models in the presence of intercorrelated variables.